Today my topic is scheme for MSME. MSME means medium, small and micro enterprise. We all are sitting here, hopefully, most probably, they comes into MSME. So there is a list of definitions for medium enterprise, small enterprise, micro enterprise, and apart from that there is a large corporate where turnover is the criteria, where asset capitalization is the criteria. I am not going deep into MSME definition because I have my YouTube channel with the name CA Uchit Shukla and I have prepared so many videos over there. So you can go there and watch the definition of MSME. So I am going to take the schemes which are announced by Reserve Bank of India and central government for the benefit of MSME. We have to understand that the economy of India, the base is MSME and not large corporate. All large corporate has to dependent on the MSME, and that's why we all are MSME sitting here and try to generate business for each other. So can you just, yeah. So there are list of schemes. I'm going to take these 7-8 schemes today. I'm trying to complete it in next 15 minutes. President, once time is up, you can definitely tell me so that I can complete the presentation. First scheme, credit guarantee scheme for MSME. Hope you all know that there is one scheme called CGT MSE. So you should understand that MSE means medium and small enterprise. Here, what is CGT MSE? That government is giving guarantee on behalf of entrepreneurs who wants to start manufacturing unit or trading unit. Let's say, for example, I want to start manufacturing unit and I don't have enough capital. I can go to any bank and ask for CGT MSE scheme loan. In that, you have to understand that you need not to give any collateral security. This is the most important point. This scheme is in market since past many years, but there are some myths. Uchitbhai, CGT MSE scheme bank ma malti જ નથી. Banks are not allowing CGT MSE scheme. That is a wrong thing. Let me tell you that all banks are giving CGT MSE scheme, that is without collateral security, on the basis of your project report. So your chartered accountant, your consultant, your loan consultant can prepare that report. It has to be a proper report. You submit it to bank without giving any collateral security. You will get the loan, subject to maximum loan amount of 2 crore. So that is most important. So President sir, Mihir sir, you asked me in the morning કે CGT MSE માં loan મળે છે. Answer is yes, મળે છે, and without collateral security. Second scheme is protection against delayed payment. મને એક સેમિનારમાં બોલાવેલો અને ત્યાં આગળ આપણા જેવા જ MSME હતા. મેં એમને પૂછ્યું કે what question you want to ask me and what are the points where you want me to speak. એમને કીધું ઉચિતભાઈ, અમે અમારી સર્વિસ આપીએ છીએ, અમે ગુડ સપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ, બટ અમારું પેમેન્ટ ટાઈમથી નથી આવતું. So this is the scheme which is announced by our central government, that is protection against delayed payment under MSMED Act, Micro Small Enterprise Development Act 2006. એને માટે આખો એક્ટ બનાવવામાં આવેલો છે, and under that act it is a rule કે if you are supplying to any corporate, any government unit, any PSUs, or let me tell you કે બીજા તમે કોઈ MSME ને સપ્લાય કરો છો અને if they are not paying you the due amount in 45 days, listen carefully, 45 days, then they have to pay interest, and that is 3 times of bank interest. એટલે bank interest, if it is a 6%, you will get 3 times of it, that is to say 18%. So most important scheme, we all should understand this. You can see my video on YouTube for the detailed study of this. Next is public procurement policy by central and state government. Again most important. બહુ બધા લોકો અહીંયા છે, આજે આપણા visitors or observer પણ આવ્યા છે. We all have some or the other businesses. એટલે કોઈ કહેશે કે ઉચિતભાઈ મેં મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ યુનિટ નાખી દીધું, મારી પાસે બહુ બધો સામાન છે, પણ ખરીદવા વાળા ક્યાં છે? તો એક BNI માં અને બીજા અહીંયા. સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટ હેઝ અનાઉન્સ વન સ્કીમ કે 25% of the total procurement, ધ્યાનથી સાંભળજો, પબ્લિક સેક્ટર યુનિટ હોય, ગવર્મેન્ટ એન્ટિટી હોય, they have to procure 25% of their annual procurement of services and goods from MSME. ખબર હતી આ વસ્તુ તો બહુ સારું છે, નથી ખબર તો જાણી લો સર, એની ફીસ પણ નથી લેવાનો હું. So moral of the story, there is one portal called GEM portal. જે પણ MSME છે, they have to register themselves on GEM, and all the public sector unit, government units, they have to procure 25% from MSME, that is compulsory. Moreover, 4% out of this 25%, government units or PSUs has to procure from ST-SC unit. So if you are covered under SC-ST, then it is one more benefit. And apart from that, 3% out of this 25% from women entrepreneurs. Women over here, you should, be proud. There are many companies. આપણે કંપની શોધવા અહીંયા આવી રહ્યા છે. I have heard many of you specific ask is આપણે GAIL. કોની specific ask? GAIL હતી. GAIL India. બોસ GAIL India ત્યાં ગાડી વેન્ડર માટેની એક મીટ રાખે છે just to invite MSME. એ લોકોને માટે it is compulsory from government to procure 25% of their annual procurement from people like us. એ લોકો વુમન એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર્સ ને પ્રમોટ કરે છે, એ લોકો SC-ST ને પ્રમોટ કરે છે, એના પછી MSME ને પ્રમોટ કરે છે, અને એના પછી લાર્જ કોર્પોરેટ પાસે જાય છે. So moral of the story, if you are MSME and you are, I know that, so register yourself as MSME. ઉચિત ભાઈ એટલે કેવી રીતે રજીસ્ટર કરી શકાય? વેરી સિમ્પલ પ્રોસેસ. ઉદ્યમ રજીસ્ટ્રેશન જે 10 મિનિટમાં નીકળે છે, ફ્રી ઓફ કોસ્ટ. So if you have Udyam registration, you will be considered as MSME unit and you will get all the benefits which is listed here. Next, I am just skipping fourth one. I am taking SIDBI. Hopefully everybody knows SIDBI is. What SIDBI is? SIDBI means Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Central government under one scheme एक bank open करेली છે. So sometimes we go to HDFC Bank and Nationalized Bank and તો ત્યાં it might be possible કે MSME છે, આપણે નાનું યુનિટ છે, તો આપણને એટલું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ નથી મળતું જેટલું કોર્પોરેટ્સને મળતું હોય છે. એને જ માટે ગવર્મેન્ટ હેઝ ડેવલપ વન બેંક who specifically lend money only to micro and small enterprise. અને જે ફર્સ્ટ સ્કીમ મેં કીધી CGT MSE, definitely you should approach SIDBI for that. SIDBI CGT MSE સ્કીમ અલાઉ કરે છે. બાકી બધી બેંક બી કરે છે, but definitely your project has to be very strong and there are list of other conditions, but this is that you should approach SIDBI for your loan and all. Next is subsidy in taking part in international exhibition or fair. બહુ બધા લોકો છે અહીંયા જેને એવું છે કે યાર મારે ઇન્ટરનેશનલી જવું છે. આપણી પાસે ઘણા બધા મેન્યુફેક્ચરર છે, તો પેન્ટ મેન્યુફેક્ચરર છે, there are many who wants to showcase their product outside India. તો હવે દુબઈમાં કોઈ, yes, last 1 minute, I'll finish it. દુબઈમાં એક્સપો થઈ રહ્યો છે, somebody wants to go there, but it is very costly. બજેટ આવ્યું 5 લાખ રૂપિયા. But let me tell you, if you are MSME, then you will get 50% refund of your travel cost, of your stay cost, and for the stall which you are taking there. એટલે તમારું 5 લાખ રૂપિયાનું જો બજેટ હોય તો 2.5 લાખ રૂપિયા જેવું approximately government is giving back to you. So these are the scheme which is there are 25 schemes, but definitely we have time constraint, so I am taking this much only. If you want, definitely I can take it in some day. Thank you very much LT, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.